Hi friends! I believe in doing a comprehensive closet clean out and evaluation at least once or twice a year. Practicing what I preach, I recently did that, and in this video I'm going to take you along as I purge to make room for a few new things. Welcome to the Dress Up Mom! If you're already a subscriber, thank you and I love you. If you haven't subscribed, please do and tap the bell for notifications. It does take some effort to do a comprehensive closet clean out. To do it properly, you really do need to look at everything you own, determine if you really like it, if it still embodies the style that you're looking for, if it still fits, and if it's still in good shape. It's especially important to check if they fit, especially if you haven't worn some of your clothes in a while, like all of my work clothes since I've been working from home due to COVID. Unfortunately, to do this, you really do need to try everything on and look at it with a discerning eye. Sometimes it's kind of sad because the piece that either doesn't fit or is damaged is something that you really loved. Regardless, it's time to recycle it, make room for something new, and probably someone else is really going to enjoy and be able to use the piece. Also, constantly seeing something in your closet that doesn't fit or isn't right really doesn't feel very good. Plus, this way you can kind of make room for things that are now better suited for you. It took me a full Saturday to do my closet evaluation this time. There were definitely pieces that didn't fit or I knew I wouldn't be wearing very often or at all. Some of these were pieces I'd had for a really long time and loved, and I kind of get attached to the things, so it was hard to let them go. I knew I had to do it, so I put the things into two different piles, one to sell and one to donate. I also look for things that I might want to alter or change up a little bit. The beauty of buying vintage and resale things is that when they no longer serve you, and if you took good care of them, you can usually sell them for a good amount of money. I mean, nowhere near what you paid for them, but you can usually get something back. And in this case, I had two things on my wish list that I was hoping to buy with the proceeds from these clothes. I also decided to crop this cashmere Lands' End sweater that I got at the hospital thrift store in Nantucket.
And here is a cashmere Lands' End cashmere, and I'm buying it for $22, and it's in good shape.
I thought that I would wear it a lot more if it was a little bit shorter. I paid hardly anything for it, so I knew if it didn't quite work out, it would kind of be okay. I decided to take this to Donna, my trusty tailor. She did a great job, and I really like how it turned out, and I think I'm going to wear it a lot more this way. So I encourage you to look creatively at some of the pieces that you're not wearing, but you still love and they still fit, and see if just by making a slight alteration, you'll wear it a lot more. I sorted my sell pile into two piles. One that I was going to take to a place called Flashbacks that takes vintage and sort of funkier things, and another one for my sister's closet that takes more current kind of designer pieces. Now I know these places, so I kind of know what they're going to buy. You can certainly just take everything to all your places and have them go through it. I always find it so fascinating to see what places do and don't buy. Also, don't get discouraged or feel bad if people don't buy the things you thought they would or aren't paying you enough. It's just what it is. I ended up doing pretty well, and I got enough to buy the two things I wanted, and then I donated everything else. First, I wanted to replace these Birkenstocks that I've had for about 10 years. I wanted to get the classic kind that has the two straps, but I thought these still might have a little bit of wear in them, and I was right. One of my resale places actually bought them. I knew my size and the exact color and material I wanted, so I ordered them online and they arrived quite quickly. I'm very pleased with them and know I will be wearing these for a super long time. I've been wanting a second pair of Judy Rosen jeans. I really love this sustainable, small, woman-owned brand. The styling and fit is superior to any other brand I've tried. I always try to buy my denim resale if at all possible. And I've been looking for a nice light wash pair of jeans that isn't cropped, and I just could not find them resale. That's when I decided to try this Jimmy jean from Judy Rosen. It's a new style she recently launched that is sure to become a classic. I'm really happy with them, and know I will be wearing these for a really long time. Well, that's my closet clean out routine. Time consuming, but totally worth it in my opinion. Do you do this kind of thing? I would love to know in the comments below. Did I maybe inspire you to do it? That would be even better. Thank you so much for watching. It really does mean the world to me. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.